A day in my life as a makeup artist. May ara kita client sa buong sa syudad sang Iloilo. Kag aga pa aton call time, so we had to wake up early because we need to travel for an hour and a half. Our prep area today is in Navida Towers. Ara siya sa may Atria. Atubang lang silang sa Ateneo de Iloilo. May ara man sila available rooms online if you're looking for a place to stay here in Iloilo. Airbnb, Agoda, Booking.com, Facebook, name it, they got it. Charis. Nag-umpisa na kami sa amon first client. It is for her graduation day sa isa sa mga universidad diri sa Iloilo. She didn't request much for her look. She just let me do whatever it is nga mas bagay sa iya. However, with her hair, she wanted to have a curly hair and just add a little volume. So I decided to do a soft glam makeup look using peachy shades. Namian gid ako sa amon nga makeup sessions kay very chill, and then may konting chika pa about their place because she's originally from Cebu. Ang amon nga next client is her mom, who traveled all the way from Cebu just to attend her graduation day. She requested for a not so heavy makeup look and just keep it very subtle. And sobrang bait pa nung mom niya because she brought us food and even offered us a coffee. And I really appreciate those clients who offers even just the simplest snack like water and bread. That means a lot to us makeup artists. I'm almost done and gina-finalize ka na lang gitang iyang look para maka-change na siya for her dress for the graduation day. After doing the hair and makeup for her mom, nag-finalize na lang gid si Kian sa iyang hair para maka-picture na kami for social media postings. Ari na kita sa exciting part. 1, 2, 3, smile. Dikit gamay sa piyak. And there, got it. Check, ma'am. And of course, after her, it's gonna be her mom's turn. Katapos naman mag-makeup, mag-picture sa among yung clients, it's time para manghimos na. And I gotta say, isa ni sa mga pinakamakapoy ng obrahon bilang isa ka makeup artist. We're done for today's gigs, so mabiyahe na naman kami pa uli sa amon Banwa. Matravel na naman kami for almost an hour and a half. And thank you so much for this burger, ma'am. Sa Jollibee, bida ang saya. So before going home, decided to treat Kian, my hairstylist, for a lunch. That's it. Ulit ta. Bye-bye.